Hello friends, we are continuing with working capital concepts, and in this lecture we shall discuss different types of working capital. So we have already understood what is working capital. I am repeating, working capital means the amount of current assets which a business enterprise, which a business firm has to maintain for its day-to-day operations. So here we have a business firm, a trader, a retailer in consumer durables. So these are current assets, and this is known as working capital. Types of working capital. Working capital can be classified on the basis of concept. It can also be classified on the basis of time. Let us see what are different types of working capital on the basis of concept. On the basis of concept, working capital can be gross working capital or net working capital. What is gross working capital? Gross working capital means the total amount of current assets maintained by a business firm. Total amount of current asset, gross amount of current asset. That is known as working capital. What are current assets? What is included in current asset? We have discussed in a separate video. Now, what is meant by working capital, net working capital? Net working capital is amount of contribution, amount of margin, which this business enterprise has to provide to finance the gross working capital. So this gross working capital is financed maybe partly from bank finance and partly from contribution of the business enterprise of the promoter. So that contribution of the business promoter, which is known as margin for working capital, margin for cash credit, that is known as net working capital. And net working capital is calculated as gross working capital minus amount of current liabilities. So gross working capital means the total amount of current assets, and the net working capital means the total amount of current asset minus the current liabilities. So this is classification on the basis of concept. Now, classification on the basis of time. Classification on the basis of time is permanent working capital and variable or temporary working capital. Let us see this picture carefully. In a consumer durable shop, the retailer keeps two types of stocks, one for display and other for sale. So those meant for sale are normally not visible here. What is visible here is the displayed stock, which he has to maintain on regular basis. And the other stock that depends upon the level of sales. So this one which he has to maintain all the times, that is permanent working capital. And that stock which he is not showing here, he is keeping in his godown, which is supplied to the buyers. So that is variable or temporary working capital. Now that variable or temporary working capital is also classified in two categories. One, seasonal working capital, and other is special working capital. For example, there is festive season. So during festive season, this firm has to maintain much higher level of stocks. So that is variable working capital, the seasonal working capital. Another, this retailer has got a big order to be supplied to some organization. So that becomes special working capital. I'm repeating, friends. The types of working capital can be on the basis of concept, on the basis of time. On the basis of concept, it can be gross working capital or net working capital. On the basis of time, it can be permanent working capital or variable or temporary net working capital. Variable or temporary can be seasonal working capital or special working capital. Well, friends, I'm sure the contents of this video will clarify your concepts. Thank you for watching the video.